With chunkiness being all the rage this season, you can stay on trend in these lightning heeled sandals by Dirty Laundry. A faux woven upper mimics a quilted-like design with its plushness and texture, adding some style to this simplistic shoe. The insole is lightly cushioned to provide you with longer-lasting comfort. A thick midsole gives you that on-trend look that you're searching for this summer, while adding some ease to this wear. This slip-on has a surprisingly highly tractioned yet flexible outsole, with lugs keeping you sturdy wherever you go. You'll get an almost 2-inch boost in height at the heel, with a 1-inch platform slightly elevating you and your look. I could wear these with any casual outfit, but especially a simple summer dress.